Alright, so I'm in a rush because I really want to see what these look like. And I'm at work right now, so we're going to see if we can pop this open real quick. Yes, we can. Cell phone doing the work I need. Alright, so here we go. Of course, it's not what the box we want, but oh, damn. Damn. Woo! I dig this colorway. That's nice. Well, damn, that's actual leather. I dig that. That's cool. It's dope. I mess with that. I can mess with those. They clean, dog. I'm telling you right now, man. So as you can tell, I already opened up this box and was looking at these, and I mean they're pretty nice. So I mean I can't complain too much, right? I can't say much. However, I didn't tell you all that there's another box, right? I don't have my knife anymore. I was looking for it. I found it for those Rose 9s, and I have no clue where they are at since. So we're just gonna do it like this. Let's go in here. Another box. What colorway is this? Figured as much. Here we go. Another D-Rose 10. Another white color. These are the ones in the box. They're creasing up the leather on the boys right away. It's gonna crease anyway. I don't really care. But that's dope. This is like a USA colorway to me because it's got red, white, and blue. It's got the gold. This reminds me a lot of the Rose 773s, the first ones. They reviewed those a long time ago, but the colorway here says 1.7. So that's talking about the draft lottery pick. I wonder what the other side has. This side says the same thing, so 1.7% chance. Interesting. I don't know if I'll be able to find more details about it. Maybe I'll have to reach out to like a marketer before I do the actual review, but here's another unboxing of them. So I mean, 2 pairs of D-Rose 10s. This traction is meant to look like it's meant to be a callback to the 2.5s and the crazy lights. And you can see the paneling here looks like the 1.5s. I really hope these are good to hoop in, and so I'm gonna start testing these here soon, y'all. And I'll give you all my thoughts on them. And yeah, I refrained from talking about the 9s just because the 9s, they weren't awful. They got better the more I play in them, but like, I don't know. I think, with 10 years, when it comes to doing the D-Rose Sneaker Challenge in October, it's going to be a lot of insight. Just to let you all know, too, in case anyone's trying to buy them on Adidas.com, they're pretty much like sold out. They, in my opinion, I went down half a size, like I usually do in most of my Adidas basketball shoes, and they fit good. So I think with my ankle brace, they'll still fit well. And yeah, it's a good shoe. Looking forward to seeing how they play. The look has grown on me a lot since I first saw them revealed back last year or earlier this year when I did a video talking about them. And I still have one more colorway coming. So that colorway I will not post a unboxing of because I'll save it for the D-Rose Sneaker Challenge in October. So yeah, hope you guys like this unboxing. I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys in some more content here soon. So until then, guys, peace. I'll see you around later. Bye.